Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be talking about the Wadzpay Circus. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnet in mainnets, including XDC network, guys. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let's head on and check what the Wadzpay Circus is, guys. I've been waiting for this for a while to see how stuff unfolds, but unfortunately it gets worse for Wadzpay, guys, and the team, not only in terms of price action, but guys, in terms of how bad it has been, guys. So look at this from Kai Williams over here. Guys, it's not too late in the market for you to try and flip your bags to break even, leveraging what you have left into better appreciating assets. If you're holding the shit out of WTK right now, hoping to come close to breaking even or making X amount of profits, that is some seriously delusional thinking. Are you afraid of losing? Did you invest your bread money you couldn't afford to lose? Guys, this is the mantra: only invest what you can afford to lose, always, in any project, guys, even if someone has conviction in it. This is what we're saying time and again. I spent over $400,000 over a period of time stocking up WTK. I'm the one who broke through all the buy walls back in November last year, breaking through 3 cent, 4 cent, 5 cent to try build the momentum with my average buy of almost 3.5 cents. Yes, I admit I would shill the project to push my bag's value, or even at times fight the people exposing the truth recently regarding the supply to protect it. I joined WTK in the beginning of March 2023 by the recommendation of CT Ruler. If you remember, CT Ruler was pushing WTK hard at the moment, and then I think him and Claire Thompson, I think they sold their, but yeah, indeed they sold their bags and then just distanced themselves from the project, detached themselves completely. And yes, for everyone information, I know exactly how to read on-chain data, as I went through all of the data before buying in. This can be confirmed, verified by Lewis himself. Lewis is CT Ruler, as I had mentioned to him back in March 2023 about the oversupply, and that there were close to 2 billion circulation at the time. The 4x the amount being claimed, 500 million. By the way, everyone was reading the on-chain data and saying that the circulating supply is more, but at that time, those that were basically trying to advocate it or didn't even know that would that 4x amount, what is the 4x amount for? Some were saying that it is for swaps. Everyone was reading it correctly, that yeah, 2 billion in circulation, a lot of people, but everyone was saying that the swap, they're using it for swaps and for exchanges, and really the total amount is 500 million, and the rest will be used for swaps and other sort of stuff, guys. There were other reasons, and the advocates were saying this at that time, including Lewis. I remember he even made a video on it. I know from my experience that 95% of people do not have the slightest of clues on how to track or even read data that is transparent on chain, black and white. So I took the risk buying in that nobody would find out about the supply, but unfortunately it didn't pay off as people woke up a lot over the last few months. Obviously they had to. Everyone knows that if they're being manipulated somehow, and price action does not lie, yeah, some technicals are there, but sometimes you know that something is not right, and someone's selling bad, and a lot of that stuff, guys. Even I would say that even Casper Network has a better approach than this. Although Casper Labs, guys, it distanced itself from Casper Network, but Casper Network is still there as a chain and trying to basically do something from the community side of stuff. But Wadzpay, guys, it is completely bad. They had promised the chain to be launched back in Q4 of 2023, I think, yeah, and it didn't come. And Q4 of 2022, or yeah, 2023, I think. So it did. When it didn't come, guys, that was it. The Wadzpay chain AMA that they had. I knew it back then, and I also followed. I covered it that something is not right. They should have basically at least launched their chain. I mean, it was really bad that they didn't do it, and slowly and gradually they were making excuses. And still, guys, the chain that they, I think, are planning to launch, everyone was saying that it's going to be a layer one, and they have just, I think, copy pasted something really bad made GitHub and a lot of that stuff. And I think they're now planning to build a layer 2 instead of layer 1. So altogether, guys, really bad. And meanwhile, there were posts about Anish basically riding a Ferrari or selling it, and all of buying a Ferrari, basically. Yeah, this is my third cycle. I know how to play the markets. Fortunately, I couldn't see a point of return when we came down below the 1.5 cent level. So yeah, guys, I think that this was a really crucial level. Not even this, guys. I think that the 2 cent level was a really crucial point. And yeah, the last point was 1.5 cent. And now when this is broken without any legitimate foundation, a good network, at least something that the community can build upon, I mean, it's a mess. And yes, I sold my bag in loss of around $260,000 last month. Do I care? Absolutely not. Not. It's part of the game. You win some, you lose some. It's the yin yang balance of life. I've already managed to recover close to 100,000 from trading what I took out of WTK. Moral of this post is that although you may be in a loss, it's not too late to recover it. Stop dreaming this will take off. Guys, even if it does, it does not even if it pumps a bit and a lot of that stuff, it doesn't change the fact that, I mean, they played the investors bad, the team, Anish and the team. The whole show was smoke and mirrors, a circus, guys, to say the least. Cut your losses and recover them trading elsewhere before it is too late and you have nothing to play with. PS, yeah, talking about the VARA stuff, guys, this was what was legitimizing this project, the Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, according to Mr. Kai. According to Mr. Kai, guys, that VARA knows absolutely nothing about WTK, period. Wadzpay has a pending broker-dealer license, soon to be revoked. Nothing more than acting as intermediaries, middlemen, to help connect buyers and sellers. They were a consultant company and nothing more, with WTK never being mentioned. Look at this. People have replied. I can't find the tweets where you are defending WTK and fighting the FUDs. Can you please tell us? I may have used the wrong word, fight. It was more or less me posting the typical shilling statements. That is, the FUDs are only trying to drive the price down to buy back in cheaper. Interesting, March 23. It's pretty astonishing to know that few people figured out there were 2 billion tokens and never even put it out there. Such people have no moral ground to advise others. Yes, everyone has their own right to say or not say what they want. This is where do your own research comes into play, my friend. What did you expect for us to do, wanting us to wipe your what? Don't hate the player, hate the game. But a lot of people were saying at that time as well about the circulating supply that it's more, but a lot of advocates were defending it that it is for some swap reasons and a lot of that stuff. So most low cap alts have a similar looking chart to WTK. Why would you encourage people to sell at the bottom before alt season really kicks off, which comes once every 3 to 4 years? Are you dense? I'm not encouraging people to sell, do as they please. I pointed out the fact you still have time to maybe break even or make some profit elsewhere and not in this junk. Anish Tweets has lied about pretty much everything. If he had delivered what he had said, delivered what he had said was ready last year, we wouldn't be in this mess regardless of the supply. Yeah, guys, this is what I'm talking about as well. That even if the supply was 2 billion and Anish basically launched the chain and had been professional about it and truly operated as a company that is there to basically at least give us something, give the investor something, the price wouldn't be this. He didn't deliver, and people are happy with the copy paste fork that was done in less than 4 days. Come on, wake up. It was all smoke and mirrors. Yes, guys, they said that they have been working for on the Wadzpay chain for a while. It's going to be a revolutionary, the refund and a lot of the stuff, the TPS transactions per second. They said that it's going to be so much. So yeah, alts from going up. Yes, the management. And yes, guys, one more thing I would really like to share over here about Nick as well, guys. Nick has been a key advocate of Wadzpay, and I think that he's one of the most vocal people around when he sees some crap being shilled or something like that. Although he was a WTK proponent, but guys, it's been a while. He saw through what Anish was doing. He has even removed WTK from his bio over here, and yeah, I saw a post of his over here. Look at this. Not post, a message in the community. Trust your instincts and do what feels right for you. It is truly disappointing to realize that we all invested years of our lives and our hard-earned money into a scam. I really respect Nick. He was one of the first persons I came across within this space, and truly, guys, he's got some high moral grounds when it comes to saying what's right. So he's doing that at the moment, and people from the WTK community have also criticized him, but those that are still holding their bags and everything. But guys, look at this. At this point, he says it is undeniable. Now they're trying to launch a new token, but after everything that has happened, it is hard to imagine anyone doing business with Wadzpay. They've completely lost the community's confidence. Clinging to a sinking ship isn't a good idea. In my opinion, promoting it feels wrong. By doing so, you're only helping to perpetuate the scam, potentially causing others to miss out on life-changing opportunities with the upcoming bull market, guys. So even, guys, there are a lot of memes that people shill, but those memes are at least correct, at least honest, that they are vaporwares, guys. They are not saying that they're doing something that they're not. They are launching a chain, although some of the projects do that, guys. But even some of the memes, guys, they only say that we're here due to community hype, and the community is going to be shilling and increasing the price and all of that stuff. Even I think that has been proved to be much better in a lot of cases, or in some cases. Anyways, steps we can take over here. He has been vocal over here. He tried to basically make a space in the X. Latest Wadzpay WTK developments. What's the real story? And I think he failed to record it, so we cannot hear it out. But from the looks of it, he basically has been angry for sure. Contact FBI, contact Singapore police, contact Independence Reserve. Also, the last one is the key to finding the identity of the hacker. Okay, can he shout now? Okay, so what is the summary, guys? I joined right now. You have nothing to do with WTK. You don't have WTK in your hands. The subject is WTK. Don't you have anything else to do? Okay, I think that Nick, I'll answer this question. That Nick has been an advocate of it, and if he sees something is not right, he has all the right to basically uh, say what he wants. I mean, and tell people how he feels because he has invested time and resources in it or money in it. Only Anish and Stas were shown as team on the website. They took down wtk.token.com. They've deleted it for a reason. Yeah, okay. And yeah, the hack and a lot of that stuff. I mean, it's been a circus to say the least, guys. It really has been. And if you look at their X handle over here, okay, what's September 3rd, Wadzpay and WTK websites restored after temporary outage. And in August 21, they have said that they have renounced ownership of the XDC smart contract. All three smart contracts are now decentralized. Holders do not have to take any action. People are saying that they did what they had to do. So yeah. And guys, I read somewhere that even someone linked the selling to Anish's wallet as well. So an NFT that he had bought, I think, back in the day. So they have linked it as well. I saw a post, so I do not know how legit that is, but I saw that as well. Look at this, waking up every day as a WTK holder, like, what a lovely day on the Inter. Good lord. Cool. Check the information in the link, just 6 pages, all AI generated, and this is the promised update. Come on, guys. Anish tweets you can run, but you can't hide. Wadzpay chain is officially live on Discord, your hub for all things blockchain and Watts chain. Okay. What have the people said over here? Comments. Hopefully you've sold and moved on then. It is enough to keep deluded investors happy and shilling the scam. It contains a wealth of information. These hustlers trying to keep the scam alive. It's crazy to watch unfold, keep exposing. I'm about to broke even at least selling on the last pump. Wish I sold it all. I will hold what I got. Scam coins can still pump. If given another opportunity, I will exit all of my position. So this is how people wait for it. This is why a certain pump, it doesn't last long, because a lot of people are just waiting to sell and waiting to move out from certain projects. So look at this, the WTK 90% down in 90 days. This coin is done. Vanish chain is done. Wadzpay is done. Wadzpay chain network is done. 50K market cap incoming. Get out while you still can. No more Ferrari. 0.005 almost. I mean, from 8 cents all the way here, guys. And then almost 9 cents, I think it touched it. How about Vanish Chain when they redeploy fresh contracts for WTK by end of month? Anish Jain and his Vanish Chain, love it. WTK is done. WCO will be a total shitcoin. Guys, this migrating, this is when things go bad, from bad to worse, when a project's token, guys, it is changed to another coin. I mean, this is the worst it can get. I really do not like these migrating sort of stuff, guys, to be honest. It gets really from bad to worse when this happens. Even if a project is really bad, if it sticks with its own coin, it initially it has created a community, a hype behind it, although from vaporware or whatever, but still it has the opportunity to pump a bit. But when it migrates, I mean, that is really, really bad. But what is your take, guys? Do you believe still believe what's happening, and what the team is shilling about the Wadzpay chain, or do you think that indeed WTK has been a huge circus? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.